Okay, hello. I just did my eyebrows and I primed my face. That's why I look kind of funny and my hair is straight. I look so different, I know. So I'm gonna be doing a yellow cut crease today, and yeah, so I'm gonna start off by doing my concealer, and I'm gonna do the L'Oreal Pro Glow, the Tarte Shape Tape, and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, all in that order. I accidentally put a lot. I did not mean to put that much, but I'm really sorry that I didn't have a video last week. I don't know. I don't really have an excuse other than I just don't want to put on makeup. And I've said this before, but I do not wear foundations. I do not like foundations. But I really want to try the Tarte Shape Tape foundation for the hydration one because I have dry skin. Okay, so I just put on my Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Illuminator, the cream highlight in the color 800 with the nude stripes. I'm going to be setting my under eyes with the Laura Mercier. I have yet to find a powder that is better than this. Getting rid of my creases. I have very dry and very light skin. Real Techniques is their powder brush, and I'm actually just gonna take this and just dab it all over my face. This eye look that I'm doing was based off of a picture of like a girl holding a sunset. I mean, holding a sunflower, and she had brown in her crease and yellow all over her lid, but it was like a cut crease, and I think she had glitter up in the lid, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, so for the crease colors, I'm going to be taking Silk Cream. Hold on. I'm going to be taking Silk Cream and Pooter, which are these two colors in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to be taking this on a Morphe M433 brush. And I'm just putting that in my crease. Buns. Keep going to show you the back. I'm going to be taking Buns, which is this color. It's a more, it's a deeper brown, but it has a red undertone still to it. I'm still taking that on my Morphe M433 brush. And that's going right in my crease as well. Okay. So for the last color, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Chip, which is this color right here. It's actually right underneath Buns. And this is a way darker brown. I'm going to be tapping a lot of it off, and I'm just going to lightly be going in my crease with that. A ColourPop E2 brush, and I'm just going to be blending out the edges a little bit. Then there is no product on this brush. I'm going to be cutting the crease, and I'm going to be using the Naked 3 brush. I used a really small side for when I carve out my eyebrows and do cut creases. I think it is by far the best. It holds concealer really well, and I just really like it. I'm going to take my Instant Age Rewind, taking it on that brush, and cutting the crease. Okay, you're taking a little bit more of that concealer and going over that. Okay, so my camera just stopped recording automatically as per usual. I just kind of just went back in my crease with Chip and Buns, the last two colors that I used to darken it back up. And now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes in all their palettes. I broke mine. I'm just going to be taking the packing side, and I'm actually going to be spraying some Mario Badescu spray. And I'm going to be taking the NYX Primal Colors eyeshadow in Hot Yellow, also PCO5 is also what it's called. I do not like these shadows. However, this is the only yellow that I have. And I'm basically just going to pack that on. I'm seriously just going to stamp it on. Taking Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is, it's yellow-ish, more orange, and I'm going to be putting that right on top. Okay. Alright, and for the glitter part, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal eyeliners in Glam Rock. This is just a silver glitter one. And I'm going to be going right in my crease, following the line between the yellow and the brown. Not gonna lie, these eyeliners are pretty hard, pretty hard to kind of use. Okay, we made it a little thick, but it's okay because nobody is going to see us up close. Duh. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyeliner, my mascara, and my false lashes off camera, and I shall be right back. So I look so weird, so different with these eyelashes on. These are the Ardell Studio Effects Wispies. I have worn these before and I was in love with them. I don't know what it is. I think it's because my nails are so grown out and I need to get them off. I'm getting them off tomorrow. My nails are so bad that I can't put on lashes. I can't put them on. They won't stick to the side of my eye, like the inner corner of my eye. Nope. But whatever, they look like trash. I'm going to finish up my lower lash line, taking Buns from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line all the way in, very, very lightly. I'm then going to be taking Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette and putting it on this tiny little brush, and I'm putting it really close to the inner corner of my eye. But now I'm going to move on to bronzer. I say this all the time, I don't contour. Today I'm going to be taking my Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. It has the blush, bronzer, and highlighter in it. It's just a bronze up my face. Okay, I'm going to take that powder brush one more time by Real Techniques and do a little bit of blending, but then I'm going to carve it out with my Laura Mercier powder. Now I take the extra that I have and I just kind of do the exact same thing but on my forehead. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to be taking my powder brush, blush, I don't even know. Okay. I'm taking some brush from Morphe, taking the blush from the Park Ave Princess kit, and I have to kind of squeeze it because it's like in a really small shaped pan. And I'm just gonna make myself look pink as a heck. Alright, so I'm going to blend my bronzer and my blush together. And I'm going to be taking the Park Ave Princess highlight And I'm just going to be taking that as a brow bone highlight. A mixture of Light and Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's literally the first 2 shades. These are really pretty inner corner highlights. So for the face highlight, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Baked Highlight in Moonlight Pearls on top of this Wet n Wild highlight. Oh my god. Okay, so last but definitely not least, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to be taking the Burt's Bees lipstick in Tulip Tide. So, top that off, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Lip Junkie Lip Gloss in the color Midnight Cowboy. I think this was my first ever high-end makeup product that I ever bought. I believe I was in the 7th or 8th grade, and I don't think they make this anymore, but I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. This was the end of my tutorial for my yellow glittery cut crease. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this video was up to par with some of your guys' expectations. Probably not. My Snapchat, my main Instagram, and my spam Instagram will be linked down below, as well as my Tumblr. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hopefully see you guys next week if I don't get too lazy. I hope you guys like this, and I hope it wasn't too terrible. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.